Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix poor call quality after update in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're using S21 Plus and you're facing the issue that once you have updated your phone, you're facing the issue that your call quality is now poor and not rather acceptable. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you just have to scroll in the control center, and from here enable this Wi-Fi calling from here. And once I've enabled this, just go back, go to your settings. Under settings, go to connections, and in connections, go to mobile networks here. Now, once you are here, you have to disable these both, which is VoLTE calls for SIM 1 and SIM 2. And once you have disabled, just go to this network model or network mode of SIM 1 and SIM 2. You have to select it LTE preferred, not selected 3G or 2G from here. Once I've selected them, just go back. Now, once I have done, I recommend you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 3 to 4 times, so it will make a quick refresh with your network settings. So if there be any network issue, it will be fixed in the steps. After that, you might not get that issue again. Or you can also try to make a restart with your phone. Just click on this power icon over here, click on restart. Now click on the restart button again to make a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings, go to system management or general management here, click on it, click on reset. Now once you are in reset setting, click on reset mobile network setting, and you have to select your SIM. It might be your SIM 1 or SIM 2, or if you're using dual SIM or two SIMs. So you can also try the same thing for both of your SIMs. You can very first reset setting of your SIM 1 and then select SIM 2 here, and then reset settings again. Once your network setting has been resetted, after resetting your network setting, just try to make a restart up to your device again, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.